With FlowNetMaster, you can perform sensitivity analysis. Through sensitivity analysis, you can understand how your design parameters affect your performance metrics. To illustrate this feature, we build a simple electrical circuit. In our model, we'll have a DC voltage supply connected to two resistors in parallel. We first drag and drop components into the model canvas, adjust their properties, and make appropriate connections between them. Now we have our model ready. Our first step is to define what is called a cost or objective function. Under the Optimization tab, click on the function icon, give it a name, and select the Python file path where this function was defined. You will see a list of parameters, results, and state variables. Here you have to select the function arguments. Note that you have to make the selection in order. The first will correspond to parameter 0, second one will be parameter 1 in your Python function, so on and so forth. In this example, our cost function is the ratio of currents passing through resistors. Now click the sensitivity analysis icon. The first step is to create a parameter set that will drive the cost function. Click on the parameter set icon. A screen showing all the parameters in your model will appear unchecked. Check the relevant parameters you will use in your analysis. Then provide a name for the parameter set. Now adjust the number of samples you wish to use for sensitivity analysis. Note that your model will rerun for each sample. Then for each parameter, select the probability distribution function and their relevant parameters. For example, if you select normal distribution, you have to provide mean and standard deviation as parameters. Once the samples are taken, you will see the probability distribution of each parameter plotted on the screen. When you are done, click the OK button. You will see the parameter set tabulated. Hit the Run button and the simulation will run once for each row of this table, which corresponds to a sample. This may take a while. Once all simulations are finished, you can proceed with generating plots. Go to the Plot tab, click on Select Scatter Plot icon. In the diagonal, you will see probability distributions of each parameter. In off-diagonal elements, you will see scatters of sample points parameter I versus parameter j. Now click on the tornado plot to see sensitivities. As expected, power supply voltage has no effect to cost function. Resistor 1 and resistor 2 values drive the cost function by almost the same amount, but in opposite directions. You can also generate contour plots for your results. Select the current ratio in the results section on the left-hand side of the screen. Right-click and select the contour plot option. A contour plot will appear. You need to select parameters for X and Y axes. Thanks for watching. FlowNetMaster. Digital twins made easy.